got the chickens doing chickening things. Oh, another one out there. Oh, there's the other one coming. And then the other one. These two. Emerald. Look at her run. She's so fast. She's the one that always gets over into the other yard. Watch her. She's gonna find a hole and get over there. Oh, no. Don't do it, Emmy. No, that's where she always goes through, but I put a brick underneath there. She likes getting over there in that grass, though. And I've got grass on my other property over there. That's why we keep them over here, because